How should women act when giving driving lessons to men and women to avoid khalwa?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
It's simple. Sit in the passenger seat, stay on your side. um, Make sure the windows are open, not open, they're visible, they're not tinted windows, and do your job, right? And remain professional in your interaction, and that's sufficient. Although it'll be far superior for a lady to just teach other ladies. But is it haram for her to teach a man if the rules of gender interaction are followed? No, it wouldn't be impermissible, but it's superior for her to uh, teach people who she's not likely to get into a problematic scenario with. So that's basically it.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.